Channel 3 Kids Camp has been around for 110 years this summer. About 40 years ago, just over 40 years ago, WFSB Channel 3 became our media sponsor, so they don't own the camp, but they provide a lot of coverage and support the camp that way. Bathurst reached out to us and said, is there anything that you can do for the camp? And of course, our list is a mile long. So they came out and we took a tour around the camp, talked about some of our needs, and they offered to extend their generosity into our community and provide some much needed showers in our dining hall.
About a year ago, the events manager Pamela was presented with the opportunity to get involved with the Channel 3 Kids Camp. And when I came along as branch manager, it's one of the first opportunities she said, maybe we should do this. And it was a no-brainer for me, knowing who the Kids Camp is. And so we made an appointment, we came down, took a look at all the shower stalls, and we were only looking to have one, maybe two of them done. But looking at the scope of the work, 4 of them I thought we could handle, so we volunteered to do all 4 as an in-kind donation to them.
A huge kudos to everybody that's here today. They were so organized and so together, and they brought me in for little sneak peeks of what was going on from time to time, and I have to say it's just been a wonderful experience. A lot of times you have people come through and they don't care if they have mud on their feet or what they've got. They just come trampling through the camp and we all go, oh, we gotta clean this. And you all came in with all kinds of covers for the floors and you treated it like you were in somebody's home. And I know that as a staff person, I really appreciate it. Oh my goodness. Oh, our campers are going to be out of their minds happy. Gosh, that looks beautiful.
A lot of people would think this project was a big deal. If you're looking at it, 4 bathrooms in a day, but we had 5 installers on the scene and we jammed it out. They came out beautiful.